Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is August the 15th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. It has the Super Scalper indicator right here, yellow and blue, and the other goal line here. Super Scalper gives an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here, and tells you if you want to use it, entry, take profit, stop loss once it pops up. And of course I also have the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows, pops up over here for buy or sell alerts. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer. That's right where this vertical line is. I'm checking out all the different instruments, checking out the daily trade plan. Once I make a decision, I put in a white arrow, either up if I'm buying or down if I'm selling. You gotta have some different tools for trading, and of course you have to know how to operate the tools. It's one thing to have the tools, but then if you don't know how to read it, well, the tools are useless. And then of course I teach all of that within the training videos. Trading is not easy, as you probably know by now, but once you get enough education, eventually you will start to find success. It's exactly what I did. Education coming in the form of systems and packages, and eventually the light bulb will go off and you will become part of the 5% of the traders out there who make it. I'm sure you've heard 95% of the traders fail. Well, that is still true. But if you get enough education and if you do the homework, well, eventually you will find success. As I mentioned, I take the daily trade plan. Now this is right up to the minute. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Earlier this morning, between 6 and 7, it was looking different. And I take a look at the daily trade plan. Then I analyze the charts, price action, and of course then I make a trading decision whether I want to be buying and or selling. If you don't have a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why, well, at least one of the reasons why you are not succeeding at trading. Okay, now we can get into these trades. Let's take a look at this. The first trade I did was the pound dollar. Let's see where I got in at. Just drag and drop this up. I knew it was in a cycle for going down, and I knew it was going to go up. And this was 8:30. There was some strong news. That's why you see this big wick. And I knew that could happen. But looking at the charts, looking at the daily trade plan, in real time it told me it was going to go up. So just wait for the cycle to be done. Got in the trade here, and this pound dollar does pay $10 for each pip, so this looking at the money should be 20. So I ended up with 20 pips. There it is right there. So those 20 pips paid out $200. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Russell. And by the way, the Super Scalper will work on absolutely everything that your broker offers you. All you got to do is put it into the market watch, and if your broker offers it to you, you can use the Super Scalper to trade. So on this Russell right here, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Got in, there's the super signal daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Way too many things telling me it's going to go down. But remember, the market's very random. It goes up and down and up and down, and that's just the way it goes. So I looked at the money there, and this should be 28 as it pays $10 for each tick. So let's see if I can show 28. From there to there should be 28. There it is right there, 28 ticks, and that paid out $280. Moving on to the next trade, crude oil, another one that pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to calculate in my head. This is 60. So let's see. Let's see where I got in first of all. Here we go. Drag and drop this up. Took the trade here. There was your sell signal. Sell from the daily trade plan. Charts were saying sell. Don't forget the scalper, you know, very, very clear. We're in a sell or a down cycle. If I stayed in a trade, I'd be making more, obviously. So crude oil got in there, and I closed out the trade at 60. There it is right there. That's 60 ticks, paying out $600. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the DAX 30. DAX 30. Dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a closer reading. DAX 30 pays $3.25 for each tick. So I took the money and divided it by that 3.75. And let's see where I got in at. So I bought it. Look at all the blue arrows. There's the from my daily trade plan saying look for bullish trades. So now this is the way the market moves. Did a bit of a pullback, no big deal. And it just continued going in the direction that I more or less figured that it would. And the calculator says it should be 325. So let's see if I can get around to 325. Well, I know that that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. So anyhow, it's 325 ticks, and that paid out $1,218. So another great day of trading using my Super Scalper trading system. Added up all the pips and the ticks, and it grand total, and I knew, mainly because of this DAX 30, that I was going to have well over 200. And today's total was 433 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,298. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll get all that information. So let's say that this is the video. All you have to do is look right below it, and where this button more, well, anywhere on this banner right here. All you got to do is click on it. Opens up another window. Now there's my link for Skype connection, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer, tablet, cell phone, well, they're all connected with Microsoft. All you have to do is click on it, and we'll have a connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. Keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. This is where 95% of the traders get it wrong. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. And you need some kind of a daily trade plan. Remember, 95% of the traders don't they don't get this right. And within 6 months or even up to 6 years. As long as you don't fulfill these 4 requirements, you will fail at trading. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, if you scroll down some more, you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. And please note that the Super Scalper system does not automatically come with the Super Signal indicator, and you really have to have that. So for that particular reason, I'm given a special offer. If you buy package 1, 2, or 3, so $250, and if you pay another $50, I'll give you package number 4 that comes with the Super Signal indicator. So that'll be $300. That means it's a 40% discount. The other package I have is if you buy any 2, I'll give you one of the packages for free. So it's your choice how you want to split up, which package you want. Now in the Super Scalper system, there's 24 training videos up to 30 minutes long each, and look at all the different things that I teach. The more things that you learn, the better you will become as a trader. The next package, How I Trade Live, 20 videos, again up to 30 minutes long. I spend many hours putting these packages together. In the past, I spent a lot more money and I got a lot less education. Scrolling down further, daily trade plan, 4 training videos, and then of course the Easy Trader, again 4 videos, just explaining how to use it, and I give examples in both of those packages covering all 3 different trading sessions. So if you have any questions, you want to buy, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also send me an email. Here's my email address. Here's another link again to my Skype. I want to point out, as I mentioned just earlier, it takes me many hours, a lot of work to put the packages together. Once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. So please note that there are no refunds. Also, keep in mind, if you buy from me, I do offer support. And this is another situation that something that you really should have, because if you have questions, you got to be able to ask somebody to get those answers. So no problem. That's why I want to hook up with Skype so I can answer your questions. Keep in mind that you must buy education, and then you must do the homework, or again you will fail at trading. So looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.